How to share a note on iPhone to collaborate. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to head over to your Apple account and then move into iCloud. In this page, you have to make sure that the iCloud backup is toggled on. If not, toggle on to sync this iPhone. Once done, now move into the application notes. Head over to the notes that you want to share and then click on this icon. Now tap on this arrow right over here and then click on Collaborate. Once done, now choose the social media that you want to share these notes. Let me send this in iMessage. Click on Continue. Tap on Allow. Enter the iCloud mail of the person that you want to collaborate with. Once you are done, simply click on Share Link. And then the link will be shared to this person. If this person accepts it, then you will be able to collaborate with this person and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.